of this, Arinze? I'm tired of all this because I'm in your house. You don't let me drink water and keep cup. What's the meaning of this?
Ebuka, you're trying me. Ebuka, you're challenging me in my own house.
Please come.
Ebuka, you're daring me in my own house.
Arinze, so what? Is it because I'm in your house? I'm your younger brother for crying out loud.
Ebuka,
It's okay, please don't fight him.
You're trying me. You're trying me and I will not allow it.
So what will you do?
I'm going to beat you and beat the hell out of you today.
No.
Come and hit me, let me see. Touch me, let me see. Arinze, I'm keeping quiet because you're my elder brother. That doesn't mean I don't know what to do. You want to touch me? Touch me, that's what I will do to you.
Ebuka.
Hello class. Today I'll be taking you people on the topic I call political structure. What did I say? Political structure. Political structure. Political structure. I know if I may ask what is political structure, none of you will answer the question except Chisi and Treasure.
Let me get this part today.
No.
Arinze, I'm respecting you.
Ebuka, why will you talk to my wife like that? Why?
Who is the wife? This one?
Inapwala.
Honey, why now? I haven't got into this.
Let me kill this boy.
Honey, please.
Did you just slap me?
And I will slap you again, Ebuka. Ebuka, I feed you. I clothe you. I shelter you, Ebuka. I will not have you insult my wife or talk to my wife in such a manner. If this repeats itself again, I'll send you back to the village where you belong. The hills are clear for you.
It's okay, please.
Arinze, you're doing this thing to me because of this little girl, because of this little brat. You're doing this to your younger brother. Arinze, look at what you're doing to me because of this girl. I'm respecting you.
It's okay now.
Arinze, I will help you. I'm respecting you because you're my elder brother. I'm respecting you, Arinze. I know what to do to you. Leave me alone.
Don't fight him. It's okay.
Leave me alone.
He's your brother.
Mama will hear this.
If you go and wake Papa from this grave and tell him, I don't care. You will never try this.
It's okay.
I want you to pass this same message to Dikeh that I will not have both of you behave rudely in my house.
I see. I will tell Mama this thing that just happened. I promise you that. And you, Stella, it's me and you in this house. You will know no peace. It's me and you in this house. Because of you. Arinze! 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 Because of you together you're fighting me. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll tell Mama. Because I'm in your house. You're your wife. You're your wife are insulting me. I'll make this one and see what I'll do to you. Arinze!
Look at you.
I've missed you.
I missed you too.
You're not looking bad. Look at you.
What took you so long?
Mama, nothing much actually. Just that I had a lot of things on my table. But where's father?
He's inside.
Inside?
Let's go in.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Chris, please, that's my things from the...
Now, Treasure, can you do us the honor by stepping out to answer this question? Let's clap for her. Clap for her! Brilliant students. Now, what is political structure?
Political structure is the act of...
Are you okay?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you sure you are fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. Let's go ahead.
Political structure is the...
Help me!
Zena, you're welcome. You don't know how happy and joyous, your mother and I are. It's been my earnest prayers that someday that my son will come back home and be with us. He goes to school, comes back, and still have time to attend to royal matters. And he will be the next king of this town. So it's good you come home.
I know you are going to mention this, Father. Now I am back. But please, it would be nice you people allow me to study in peace and not be faced with these royal matters. Not now. My mates are no longer in university. If not for what happened, I wouldn't be here struggling for one. I should have my own degree now.
Your father is right, son. In as much as you're here to study, you will still learn. I mean, if you don't learn the cultures and traditions of your people now, when will you be able to learn them?
Now I know the reason I am being pushed to come back.
But that's not true, son. If not for the incessant court clashes in your former school, we wouldn't have any reason to pull you out. But if we hadn't done that, one day you will get injured. And you know the country we are in. They will say that you're part of the court group. Or you're a member of a court. So what do we do then?
Well, all this said, honestly, I'm really happy to be back. And all these court activities in our campuses these days is really getting out of hand. I really hope no one disturbs me in the campus because I am going to end someone. Not joking.
No one dares. I went to the university myself for the transcript and registration. And I was with the VC face to face. Remember I told you that land where the school is presently situated belongs to my grandfather. Yes. So no one would dare have you pulled into their nonsense.
I believe you, but
it's ready. Whenever you are ready to eat, we go to the table. First you drink water. Is the meal ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please be fast about it because my son is hungry.
It's ready now.
Give me water.
All right.
Yes. Okay. Father, you're looking good. And you're really taking good care of mother. She's not aging, you're not aging.
Am I not taking care of him?
And you're doing a good job.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's nice to be home.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please serve the meal, eh?
Thank you.
Just dry. And it tells you, when we just dry like dry fish too.
Hey! Come here.
Yes?
They call you, they say yes. When you say engagement drink, where they shout yes. Guy, confront. Mama, they follow you talk.
I don't understand. She, you blind me. Eh?
Why you match me?
Why you match Jackie's shoe like that? You dey mad?
I'm sorry, I didn't see you. I was rushing to class.
You see they speak English. They talk, they follow us speak now.
Hey,
We don't go school now.
So you're sorry like this now, make I leave, make you just the waka. On those side between us. I don't be your savior, guy.
lie.
Who calls you? Who you be for this campus? Come on, dust them. Dust them.
You dey know what she dey do. Come on, confront. They follow you talk, they say sorry.
Now come on.
Wetin dey worry you? All these freshers and fresh talk. Wetin dey worry you get?
Now so they take clean shoe. Clean that thing well. Use your hair clean that thing. They don't say this thing.
Come. Can you observe this girl?
Observe am. So now check eleke.
So like this now, where you dey go?
I'm going to class.
So because say you dey go school, you dey run.
Okam.
Ha, so na fresh yo
Na so they dey do. Na fresh as
Na their way.
Na so
Come,
they dey do.
all of una wey be freshers, una no get respect. I be old woman no dey your house. You dey match Pablo, me, Queen Pablo for this campus.
She don't know.
Mama, she don't know. She don't know.
You dey tell energy God, sorry, make I leave you. Who goes you?
Yes.
As fresh and I'm more.
You dey craze. Dust am for me first.
You dey hear am?
You no get money.
Carry am, carry am.
Go take this one. Take this one. Take that money there.
Wait, make I check this side.
No robbers.
Mama, nothing dey.
Empty tonto.
I just booked this girl from school.
Where you dey hide am? Where you dey hide am?
Nothing dey there. She don't use her money do too chuku. Nothing dey there. Nothing.
You no get money here.
They carry her. She no get money.
Dey fuck up.
Carry
Mama,
her.
nothing
Nothing dey there. She don't use and do hair, do nails. Nothing dey there.
You know wetin go happen? You no dey go anywhere today.
Ha! Can't see.
Because you no get money to pay yourself.
At all. Today na
No
here her class
school.
go dey.
I go bam you. Today I go carry you enter bush. You go belong.
Normal
Make you
level.
for the reason well.
Normal level.
Because you dey
Normal
fuck
level.
up.
Go
You
pay-
dey match me. Energy queen for this campus. You don buy free market.
She don't match wahala.
Oya, match dey follow me.
Chikena.
Oya, match.
Ó ti lọ. Ngwa. Madam, pack
You
that
go dey
thing
pack
quick,
that
quick.
thing fast.
Dey
No go
wine.
go.
Carry nyash full everywhere. See nyash, see nyash.
Now you know they do more.
Carry nyash full everywhere.
No be
Madam,
man
dey
dey
go
your
from.
back, oh.
I say match am you dey. Na so you dey take work. I dey catch you up.
Treasure, please stop crying now, please. Treasure, you'll be fine, okay? Stop crying.
I'm not fine. I'm not. But you won't understand what I've done. It's better that I'm dead. I'm not fine at all.
Why will you talk like that? You will not die. You will be fine, okay? But Chizzy, why do you always collapse in class and every other place? And you don't want to talk to anybody about it, and not even me, your friend. Why? Talk to me.
I'm happy that you're okay. Thank God you're awake. How are you doing?
I'm not fine, sir. I'm not.
But wait, Treasure, why is it that you always collapse in the class? What's going on?
That's what I'm asking now.
I'm sorry, sir. He's not one I can discuss with anyone.
Well, that's not a problem, okay? I will fit for your medical bills. Okay, just whatever thing you need, just tell me. I will pay for it. Just take good care of yourself, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
You're welcome. Chizzy, you have to stay with her till she gets alright, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I have to go now.
Thank you.
Just take good care of yourself, okay? Chizzy.
Thank you very much. Treasure, stop this. Stop this. Make me understand. I'm your friend.
I don't understand.
Say problem shared is problem solved.
You won't. You don't know what I've done. I don't know what I've done.
You see that question there? You go solve all of them. Number 29, 31, and 30. I don't say they talk am.
Na so e be.
My life, I
Na
go
so.
call am anyhow. Solve am.
You dey hear
How
am?
am I supposed to know what the question is all about or how to solve it? I'm still a fresher.
You dey mad. Something dey work you. You dey follow Curtis dey argue. You wan die.
I no understand. You dey question. I no understand. You dey crazy. You dey question.
Na fresher now. That's why they be.
If I match come back here, you never solve this question. I go throw you overboard. Your mind go dey. Try
lie,
me.
my ba.
This how they play.
Her
See
mind
this
go
LT,
dey.
oh. This LT, they cap nonsense. I go just forget bullet for here. Your mind go there. Mugu. No bounce.
When they say
You
go
see,
collect,
as I take
this your
talk,
head
my
go come out
back.
slow.
You go collect, oh, fine girl, no pimple. You go understand, say, this school, now we get her. You hear me so? Chris. Carry big nash full everywhere. Hey! You no get money, oh. Come carry nash, everywhere.
Hello, ma. Be coming now, ma. I can see you. Be coming, ma.
Anna.
Ma?
How are you, my son?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Oh, Mamo. Oh, look good.
No.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Oh.
Hey, why?
You're banana.
Mama.
No.
You should have at least put this yam and the oil in a nylon bag now.
Is anything wrong with this?
Mama, this is not a market. This is a campus. Do you want them to laugh at Treasure and I?
Laugh for what? Because I bought yam for you. Nah. Don't they eat yam? Rapo yam, Biko. Forget about that one. Please, where is your sister? Forgot here, Biko.
She should be in her class. Oh, here comes her classmate. Let me come back from her. Jackie! Jackie! Excuse me, please. Please. Sorry, I don't know. Have you seen Treasure?
They craze. I be something they walk you. Who be this guy? Who born this maga? He dey mad. Since Johnson mind, they ask me question.
Alpha mama, na Treasure brother be that.
Wetin can happen if na Treasure brother? Then they use the name win award.
I don't know.
See this mogul. Come. Don't ask me mumu question again for this campus. Just mind your business. I better make you fly.
I'ma see yam oh. Who get this yam for grand now? See yam for grand now. Hey, who get yam?
Yam? It's for my children. Treasure and Alpha. I bought it for them.
Ha. We don't get time. Make we go.
My daughter, please don't be angry. I'm Treasure's mother. I've been calling her line. It's not going. Please help me and check if she's in the classroom.
So, an innocent woman like you born that her shower vibes. That girl will just dey follow man up and down. Abi, see I know they like talk to poor people because poverty na reproach. E dey Bible and na big time disease. And na disease. I know they like near am.
You dey hear her, na big disease oh.
Like this now. Your daughter go find am for clinic if you don't fall.
I dey tells you.
If you don't fall as usual, na be no be so.
Na her normal days now.
Well, let's see.
Machala, na machala level we dey like this.
When you dey crazy, you say, you say.
Jesus.
This crippled guy is a big question.
Mama, let's go there.
Say na Jesus, na Christ you go see.
Let's go there.
I am so thankful that I am back home to my fatherland. I mean, without implicating myself. My goodness, I'm happy I was able to remove myself from all the court activities over there. Seriously, right now, I am going to concentrate and read. Read until book enter this brain, this empty skull. Alright, I'm going to saturate this brain with enough knowledge. A lot of knowledge, a lot of... Oh God, please help me. Help me, God. At least now I'm back home. My parents wouldn't think I was part of the cult group over there. So it's a new beginning for me. I'm gonna take it one step at a time. Yes. Yes, damn. Who's that? Come in. Oh,
Greetings, my prince.
greetings.
My prince sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. Are you aware I came back home to resume my education? I mean, at the State University.
Yes, the queen told me. And she also instructed me to drive you to school every day and bring you back.
Ah, that's good. So, which means you've been there. So, how is it? I mean, the university?
Well, I'm not a student of that school. Well, with the little I know about the school, it's a fine place. But maybe you might kindly advise that, you are a prince. So if you're in the school, don't let strangers know much about you. Because as you're going there, you're going to meet people from different background. And they might be living a lifestyle you don't want to be among. So I just think you have to keep to yourself.
Chris.
My prince.
You're very intelligent.
Thank you.
Very, very intelligent. I think you're right. Yes, you're right. So, how are we going to do it? How are we going to run it? I mean, I want you to give me suggestions, okay? We can talk. Sit down. Let's talk.
My prince. This is palace. It's not right for me to sit on your bed.
I insist. We're friends now, okay? So sit down. Let's talk. Come on, sit down. Sit.
Okay, my prince.
First of all, where are you from?
Okay, my name is...
Mama, I don't have to feel this way. If you feel this way, how do you want me to feel?
Be happy for me. Let me be alive for you until the day God says it's over.
Mom, it will not be over. You will live for me. Look at me. You will live for me, Mwambiko. Hey.
Treasure, do you know Mama carried these yams on her head and was walking along the school? Come and see how students were looking at her.
Mama, you didn't come here to disgrace us, right?
Disgrace? Makayam, yam you will eat in one. You know, I will go extra mile to see that both of you are happy. I didn't come to disgrace you, but I want both of you to be happy in one because...
Mama, don't you know we are in school? So many people knows me here. Your daughter is one of the best students in this school. And I have so many enemies. If they see you and I, they will laugh at us. It's fine. I don't care. You are my mother and I'm proud of you.
What are you saying, Treasure? Jackie and her friends saw also. Ha!
Mama, you see what I'm saying? I know those girls. They will laugh at me. I know them very well.
Let them laugh. You see that girl? She's not a good girl. Let them laugh. They want.
Mama, that girl is a cult girl. That girl is my problem in this school. So I don't have a time. I helped her to write her exam just for peace to reign.
What? Why not report her? What are you waiting for?
Report, Ke?
Yes.
Mama, don't go there. No, don't just go there. If she dares it, that girl and her cult group will make sure that she does not graduate well in the school.
Hey!
Mama, don't even go there. Don't worry, I will survive her.
God, please, show me mercy.
Don't worry, don't cry.
You'll be fine. Oh, Mom. Hey!
What are you doing? Jackie, what is wrong with you? Can't you take permission?
You say... Take permission for waiting. For this juice, this Akari where they drink. Not be even organic, they mad. My brother's house. Don't sabi talk. You just open your mouth, like God, you go just a wine in here. Ogu wan kill.
Jackie, please. Please. Not today. Not today, I beg you.
When? He don't be. Guy, not today. Make her clear. I find girl. I hate you. I hate the fact that you're married to my bro. I hate the fact that my bro had to beat another of my bro because of you. But in case you don't know, now maybe that nigga where they tear men nick. They just they talking me and this girl.
I'm just going to avoid you. You can have it.
See as it be like overripe pawpaw. Mug. You balance they drink juice, you know they shame. You make they consume liquor, they consume juice. Fuck up girl. I should just damn one.
Baby.
Yeah, my love.
Mm.
How are you?
I'm good.
Thought you were taking your juice downstairs.
Yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yes, honey. I love you very much. And I do not regret getting married to you. No matter what anyone says.
No. Did anyone say anything to you?
No.
What happened?
Honey, nothing happened.
Are you sure?
Positive.
You're really sure?
Yes, baby.
I love you.
I love you too. You're still working?
Yeah, I'm trying to round up with this.
Okay.
As tomorrow is going to be very hectic.
I see.
Land like container. So, how far over Sabi we no Sabi anything? I be.
Jackie, don't call me that.
Yes!
Shut up there.
The craze.
No be so you be. You say don't call me that. They speak English.
She won't let us know say she no book.
Let me see wahala. I be una no see wetin this mogo do yesterday.
Mama Siam.
Oh, you funny. Make I just go put you for Nollywood, make you dey display talent.
I don't say
because for this school where you dey, you dey fuck up. Mogo. See as e be. Come on, get out. See this one.
I wear red on red.
If you cut it, you go first dey comot that red cap.
They wear red on red.
If you wear this red cap, come this school again.
Yeah, if you no compulse yourself, one left. Here comes the finest sweet guy in campus. Good day! Good day, Come. You're too sweet. You fine. Who you be now? Come up for that place. Come on there, I want it. I want you one slap. This one. Fuck off. Kapos! Look, I finish it. My queen. This guy. I swear. You're a sweet guy. You're sweet. The guy to get bright. I'm waiting to you like the guy to get bright.
Your pieces are not there. What's going on? If you know you have a friend who is not here yet, call that person and tell them to stay back in their houses or in their hostel. If you know you are here for my classes, please settle down. But if you are here and you are not for my class, please, you can use the door. The door is open. All right? Am I all understood?
Yes, sir.
Well, I promise you one thing. Your results will tell your future. I will be taking you people on what we call political structure. What did I say?
Political structure!
All right. I will be taking you guys on. Stand up.
You say?
I said stand up.
Let her leave her now. Teach us what you want to teach us.
I don't understand, though. Why you tell me I stand? I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Where is stand? Now you want lecture you. About teach more with this thing, I beg.
You know what I pity for you? I don't pity you. Rather, I pity the person that sent you to school here to study. Because you don't understand what life is all about. In 5 years to come, you might be pregnant, walking in the street and carrying baby at your back. That is when you understand what life is all about.
No, very sure we pray for yourself. We don't dare, say we don't dare. Elon Musk no go school. Future go take care of yourself. Elon Musk no go school. We don't make am the same. We don't make am. No, we dey suck. Now we dey here, but we are.
Treasure, you're here.
Yes, you're
When
ready.
are we going home?
Afam, very soon. My department has a meeting in the next 30 minutes. Let's just hang here. Very soon we'll go home, okay?
It's okay, it's okay. I'm tired.
I know you are tired. Let's just wait
Sit.
a little bit, okay? What are you reading?
I'm trying to.
Easy. Let me see
what
what you're reading.
I'm finding it difficult to understand this.
Okay.
Others dey for bush, now we dey here. Who dey? Who dey? Clear road. Who be this one now?
What is there? You dey mock this now.
Come on here. Come on here.
This is this. I don't like this.
You say.
Are yellow be this one been a pink?
See this one, oh.
Shoe? Whitey, what's up? I dey.
White wish.
Papa, sit there.
Jackie, I've told you to stop calling me that.
You dey crazy. If no be say I like you for just
Eh? You dey speak English? Carry your hand down. You dey go and always.
Come on hand for that place. Mugu.
I dey talk to you with a maroon card.
Mama!
Stop that!
Mommy, eat your uncle. Eat your uncle.
I dey hot normally.
Who dey hot now? Who
Mama,
dey?
like this. Why you dey carry eye up? Dey look. You know they fear.
Run for face. Come, see girl. How far? You know the assignment where they give us. You go run am now. You go run am by 4.
Normal level.
Meaning
Normal
what?
level.
She say meaning what?
Na question.
Meaning say you go run am. You craze. I go dey talk to you. Go dey ask me question. You why you dey look me? Come on, look
She
down.
go
You dey
collect from
craze.
here
Who
now.
you be?
Mugu.
Who goes you?
Brother,
They look me for face. You know they fear.
We were asked to type the assignment and bind it.
We know forget.
I know. I hear am.
Loud
I
and clear.
record am. I no get shipa. I no get robbers when I go anchor you.
Mama go lie.
You go run that assignment.
Mama
On
go
a lembers.
Jackie, where do you expect me to get money to do assignments for 4 people?
Voila.
Go thief now. Thief. This your body. What you use and they do.
Come here, stand for road. Make chief carry am.
Come. Abino. If you no want make this you Abino turn to Apito Shika. If you no want smell hair tomorrow, just anchor this deck tomorrow without my assign. You go asylum.
Is this your color?
I go burn am.
Walai.
I go burn am. You go turn black.
And the problem be say nobody go rush you go hospital. You fall for here, guy, you go match you.
Now we dey here. Nothing dey suck. You hear me so? White wish.
Stop.
Also,
They do good game.
you go collect for that place.
Get that assignment ready, or more no give you
White
reminder.
I go just cry.
Oh, nobody this one. You won't cry. You make I bring bucket. Uncle.
Are you going to do it?
With you. Come, I dey talk to you.
How far, fine boy?
Yeah.
Wetin dey sup now?
You dey snub my queen. My queen dey talk to you, you dey snub her. Who you be, sef? Who you be? Which kind liver you chop? Nah, guy, pack well, oh.
Who is the queen?
Come. You blind? You know dey see road? You dey ask me who be the queen. Who be the queen sit down beside you so? You dey ask who be the queen.
Well, queen or no queen, I am not interested in talking to anyone.
You say?
Aspiring fine boy, come make I tell you something. Now because of say mama they follow you the cap for here and I make you the ask say who be the queen. Guy, if not because of mama, I don't run enter you.
Here now. Better collect.
Babes, Mona leave am. How far? Fine boy. I like you, how you go be now? I like you, you talk your own. How far? I be know they like who like you.
Talk your own, Joe.
I be you need eye drop, make you for the see clear.
Mama don't first toast you.
I am saying you. But I've told you time with a number that I am not interested in whatever you have to bring on table. I mean, I'm not interested. Can't you get it?
Yeah? Right. You know, Sabito. Hey. Guy. Now maybe the table.
Yeah.
Capless. Guy. Your mind go there. You need babes like me for this campus. Sabi girl. Now maybe Pablet. So. Make I make you my Pablo. Make everywhere sweet for you.
You Mama, that one sweet.
I know say you be Jew man. But you need strong woman like me, guy. Independent.
I swear.
Street tight.
I swear.
I get street credibility.
Okay, nah.
Street tight. I get strong orientation.
100%.
You need people like me for this campus. Make your mind for day. See, I not be poor mercy, so I can make everywhere marama for you. Who they check out?
Everywhere go. It go sweetie.
How you see him?
Well, lectures are over. I want you all to go home. There's nothing you're doing here, obviously. You don't have jobs, right?
I don't know what they give this guy liver chop. You're gonna do anyhow. What they give you liver now?
What do you want?
Wait, you want milk?
No, you want respect, mama. You the work.
Come! You know why? They come up my mama front.
Liver.
Allow me make I run enter this guy. Make him go.
Come. You get wetin now they see, but I know they see him. This guy they play hard to get. And that kind man and they like based on my mobility, you know fit measure am. So I need person wey go. Guy they play hard to get and I like am that.
You say? Mama, now you are the look oh. Now your face, if not, I don't run enter this muko.
Mama, now because of you make these boys they see us less for this campus.
I tell you.
Now because of you, if not be you, mama, I no go see this guy face. I for don't run enter straight.
This guy na my own. No plans.
We make this happen for this campus, yeah. We make this happen when talking about this. We make this happen when talking about.
Chris, I've told you to stop coming here to pick me up. You shouldn't have done that, alright? Back in a distance. Is it too hard for you to do?
No, I'm sorry, my prince.
You don't have to come here. I would have taken a taxi back home.
Ah, my prince. Your mother, the queen, will have my head off my shoulder.
Even at that, just park at the school gates. Don't come close to my lecture room. People will see. I mean, people are so sensitive, right?
It's noted, my prince. I will not do it again.
Don't do that again, please. Let's leave before someone sees us.
Okay.
We are brave. We are stronger. Our ways is our bubble. We look for troubles, but the troubles don't look for us. We are brave. We are stronger. Man out. We are stronger. If you cross our path, we will treat you a fuck up. Who goes you? If we cross your path, you are in trouble. You know the fear face. If you cross our path, we will treat you a fuck up. You know the see face. If we cross your path, yeah, you are in trouble. Clear the way. Forget where.
Hey, Bugana, what's up? Apa my guy now?
Who dey?
How they be?
Welcome.
Oh, Baba Afa, the hungry. Afa food day.
How am I supposed to know? Ask the chair we have in this house now.
Okay, wetin be that girl name say?
Stella na.
Stella. Staphylococcus.
Yes, what is it? Adesh, I want chow. Afa. Vinga.
I'm making dinner. But if you want to eat something before dinner, go to the kitchen yourself.
As in?
You dey wine? Come on, this girl, you dey crazy. What you dey smoke? Who be your plug? See this girl dey wine me. And they talk.
You just came back from school. So why don't you go up and freshen up before coming to ask for food that you did not make?
You dey lecture me for my own brother house? Why did they bring this leg come now, this girl? You dey smoke? Give me food, make I chop. Make I not go chop your life, chop your destiny this afternoon.
Tell her, go in there and prepare something for my sister to eat. She just returned from school and she's hungry.
I go put up for your body, woto.
I have not forgotten. I am in my husband's house. Look, I know you two don't have respect for me. But at least respect your brother. I am his wife, for crying out loud. But if you want to eat anything before dinner, go to the kitchen and help yourself.
You dey make dinner. Come on, you respect this girl. I go get. Wait. Make her come on my watch.
It's something wrong.
Make her come on my watch. Guy, hold this thing. You never follow me there. Something wrong. I go kill you. Come.
Darling, you're welcome.
Honey, what are you doing here?
Nothing, I just came out to get some fresh air.
Fresh air without your slippers?
Yes.
Stella, I'm going to ask you again. What happened to you? Why are you standing here?
Honey, nothing happened. I just stepped out myself.
Stella, answer me. What happened? Who is in the house?
Okay, fine. I got into a fight with Jackie. So she and Ebuka pushed me out of the house and told Ade to lock the gates.
How long have you been here?
2 hours now.
2 hours?
Yes.
Ade! Ade! Open this gate! Where my wife is outside?
Yes,
eh?
Yes, yes.
Oh! You are very stupid.
No, Ebuka and Madam Jackie, we see make I.
Ade, you are very stupid.
Sorry, sir.
You are very stupid. I'm coming back for you. Just be ready for what is coming for you.
What be this kind of thing now? Which kind of thing be this? Eh? That's also slap I just received today. Wait oh. Now get mine I be. I've been a slapping machine. Ah, God, that help me oh. For this small gate man job what they manage. Now everybody just treat me like weary. What the?
So...
Honey, calm down.
This one my wife. This one I teddy bear now.
You want this woman? You want this woman? You want this me? I'm
okay. Please.
Bro, sir, because of this little brat that won't beat me. Eh? Now they give me blow because of this little brat.
I don't understand.
Ebuka, go upstairs. Pack your things. You and Jackie, you are leaving my house this minute. I mean, immediately.
Brother, you lie, you.
Bringing you to my house was the worst mistake I have ever made. And I will not allow that to repeat itself in my life anymore.
Ross, we don't go anywhere.
I didn't say I don't go anywhere.
Ross, we don't go anywhere. We don't dare to say we don't dare.
I didn't say I don't go anywhere. So because of this little brat where I can't enter this house, that make you come they fight me. I didn't say I mean they blew from out. Me and younger brother.
No, go anywhere.
Oh shit now. So bad law now. I go get this money. You see this money, I go get this money.
Yes! We go make her.
Ebuka, start cooking. I'm also going to cook. Let's see whose pot is going to come down.
Guy, I'm gonna fry onions for you. I'm gonna fry onions.
I am not you. I'm ready for your reason.
Don't touch me. I'm gonna help you fry onions, not in the apple. No, say. Because you, I don't mark your face. That's the big.
I don't get anywhere. For this house,
you bad. You see this guy? Take him. You be bad guy. Not see that. You see this guy?
You know the get anywhere.
You don't know say para dey but.
That girl no reach to pursue us come up for other the house. You know fit happen.
Male, like this now, eh? You guys come for this house. If not, I go bring that this your picking nonsense house. I don't understand though. You don't cast. This guy want push me and my push all of us come up for this house. Who they? You dey come. You guys show. My blood dey hot. You know me now. You know your daughter. I know they take rubbish show. And what's the worry am now because of that imperated wife? No only I marry. Sure. No wahala. I dey wait for you. You say you dey come. No, I don't bump me. Nothing dey happen. No wahala, dey come. I dey wait. No understand. Wetin dey bring that leg?
Come in.
The king. My prince, the king demands. My prince, why are you chewing your pen like a secondary school student?
Please don't mind me. I'm trying to concentrate on this assignment. I'll be submitting tomorrow. So I don't even know what to write.
My prince, do you know who you are? You are a prince. You don't need to stress yourself over this. Look for students, poor students who are more intelligent, who have time to study books.
Chris.
Pay them, sort them out to do this assignment for you.
Chris, this is how corruption starts. If I start now sorting for my assignments, I sort for my texts, sort for my exams, what does that make me? What next? By the time I graduate, then I would not even know one thing I read. I studied before becoming a graduate.
My prince, if I must tell you the truth, I think we are just too righteous for this generation. No! People are not this righteous these days. What you can do, you pay people to do it for you. You are a prince. You command that respect. Pay a student to do this for you, or better still, relate with the lecturers. Sort them out and get this over you.
Chris, I will not do your bidding. Don't want to sort any lecturer at all, please.
My prince, I understand what you are saying. But you have to wise up. You are a prince.
Are you trying to tell me that I am an unwise prince?
No, that's not what I meant. What I mean is this. What you can do, you pay people to do it. Then you have more time to relax your brain. Meanwhile, the reason I'm here, the king demands your presence. He wants to see you now.
Okay, tell him that I will be with him soon.
Okay, but my prince, you don't have...
Hey, can you just go? Go, please.
I don't understand. Wetin come dey occur? So me go come here dey wait for una. Wetin be all this kind nonsense sef? Wetin dey bring this leg come? Me when they come from house go first dancing deck. Come anchor dey wait for una. Unto waiting now.
Mama, no vex now. No just vex for us, abeg. We just wake up late now. Wetin cause all this nonsense, abeg?
Make una no just try this rubbish again. Because anybody wey try this nonsense again with me go collect drilling. I go just drill una anyhow.
No go happen.
Make it no just happen
Mama,
again.
I swear, you no fit happen
again. Who dey breathe? Who dey zuzu?
Abeg, una shift. Man, see better person.
Yeah, don't come. Hey! Hey! Big boy!
Wetin be worry Jackie say?
How far na, Bobby? Wetin dey saw?
What is it? Why are you following me everywhere? Don't have job.
Wow. Now maybe your guardian angel for this campus. You know. If I not follow you, who go mount you? I mount you guard on a stand.
My problem be say this guy need even give her attention. She just embarrass herself anyhow for this guy. I don't tire for her, beg.
I be no dey understand love language again. And they give you green light, you just they do like we be mugo. Wetin dey happen? You don't know so I like you.
See, if you like, give me green light, yellow light, red lights. I am not seeing those lights, okay? I don't need you. I'm not interested. So just leave me alone. What is wrong with you? Leave me alone. This is the last warning. I will not warn you again.
You know if you try am. Guy, you know if you try am for this campus. If I see anybody way near you for this school, I swear, obituary go plenty. They go do plenty candle night for your matter. You dey craze. They like you, they fuck up. Guy, if you don't like me, then be say you get spiritual problem. Because you know get guy man wey go see these things, no go like am. My God. Idiot. How far you see anything?
Mama, I don't see anything, no, I swear.
So I know where they go for. I go reach in Nambo today.
Stella! Come out here now! Stella!
Yes, what is it?
What's wrong with you? I wanted to go inside the kitchen and the kitchen is locked, so who locked the kitchen?
I did. Any issues?
You did. So I won't eat again.
What do you mean you won't eat? Didn't you eat breakfast with your sister before she left for school?
And so, I'm entitled to eat as many times as I want in my elder brother's house. What is wrong with you? See, this thing you're doing is not fair. I'm a man. And as a matter of fact, you are my elder brother's wife. And let me tell you a secret that you do not know. A woman does not marry her husband alone. One day you will come in my hand begging for mercy and I will show you shaggy. Because you're not my elder brother's wife now. You're not acting actor. You're not feeling like you're in charge in my own elder brother's house.
Look, I don't know what you're talking about. I am only doing what my husband asked me to do. And if you have a problem with that, go meet him yourself.
So Ari is the my elder brother that told you to be serving us in this house.
Stella! We shall see. You're starting a war that you will not finish. What's this girl feeling like? So I will not eat again today. Stella!
Jojo, please
now. Just do this assignment for me. I'll pay you double what every other person has paid.
Just this one. I'll pay you 4,000 naira. Jojo, you know that I don't have from life. Stop your door.
You should calm down. Wait, hold on. Calm down. You know you promised me. Please. Everybody should calm down. Calm down. Please. Please. Calm down. I can only pick 5 people. What do you intend picking? You guys, I'm human. I can't do assignments for all of you. I will pick 5 people, and whoever I pick will pay me 5K.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Okay.
What do you intend picking?
Okay, wait. I'm going to write down yes and no on a piece of paper and fold it. Okay. Then everyone will pick. There will be only 10 yes in it. If you pick yes, you are automatically picked. And you pay me 5,000, I will do your assignment. Is that okay by you?
Yes, that's okay. Okay, let's go. Let me just get a paper and pen so that we will write down the names.
Yeah, first about it.
Pressure. What thing they happen for you? Come on, just have to wait. How far?
I'll do your assignment.
You do my assignment?
Yes.
You don't submit them. Come on. You don't they loot people for this campus. And I know like how far my assignment?
I've done your assignment.
You don't do one?
Yes.
You don't submit them?
The course rep said no one should submit assignments for anybody.
You're crazy. On a normal, you and your course rep no fit talk to me for this campus. You go submit my assignment, but you no go submit them.
I will.
If I just back, you never submit my assignment. You no go like them. They feel me?
Yes.
Oh, where you? Why you dey bully all these girls now? What they saw? Bobby, leave this girl now. What did they do you now? Everybody they bully for this school.
Who is this guy?
For who goes you? I better move.
They crazy. You dey mad? Come.
They crazy.
Be like this guy call you. Una go give am OT, make him mind dey. Na me be checking for this campus.
If I slap you, go change color.
Oya, you come here. Come meet me for outside sef. Make we align. I no want dirty for front of this neurons. You go clear me who you be for this campus. You dey hear? You come back. Never submit my assignment. You no go like me.
We are brave, we are stronger. Our ways is our buffer. We look for troubles, but the troubles don't look for us. We are brave, we are stronger.
I swear to God, nothing go make me not buy this girl. She's playing with me. In fact, she dey play with fire. I find this girl they play with. Don't worry. Make one guy kill me first. See what my spirit will do to them.
See what you're doing to yourself. Just because of common sorry you cannot say to my wife. That's why you're here eating gala. Ebuka.
Arinze, the money you get, you no be God though. The money you get, you no be God. You dey hear me? See what you have reduced your younger brother into. See what you have turned me into. I dey your house, I come outside, they buy coke, they eat gala. And you dey happy, you and your wife dey chop chicken. You no go better for you. You no go better for you. See, if I make this money, I go show na shege. In fact, I go get money pass you. When you and your wife come my house, na boss quarter na go dey.
Go and make the money. That's my prayer for you. I won't sit back and allow you treat my wife anyhow.
May I go beg that small girl so you go happy. That small girl, that riffraff wey keep for house. Yeah, now my age mate, girl, why give like 10 years now? I go house go beg am. Make she forgive me food. See the condition where you don't put me inside.
Oga, go home. Go home. she will give you food when it is lunch. You need to learn how to talk to a woman and treat a woman nicely. Ah!
I better get out. Come on here. This money I go make up. I didn't see this money. I go make up.
Ebuka, go and make the money.
You know, go better for you. See this thing where they do. God go judge you. God will judge you.
Go home and stop this nonsense you're doing here.
I better get out. Now so papa and mama take train you. They give you food finish. If you go 5 pounds, school finish, come back, they give you food. They hear me? When you dey school, if you come back, papa and mama, they will give you food. You go happy. What I go do? Not be like this mama train also. They give you food. If you go school finish, come back, go chop. I don't come the house, they treat me like slave. God go punish you, idiot. You hear from me.
Jesus Christ. Treasure. You mean you made cool 50,000 naira just by doing assignment for your coursemate?
Afam, why are you acting surprised? This is what I've been doing for a minute. I just increased my price.
Exactly my point. And then you move from 2,000 naira per assignment to 5,000 naira. Come on, isn't that too much?
Afam, it's not. I have what they don't have, and that is my sexy, brilliant brain. So if they want me to use my brain for them, they should pay very well for it.
Whoa! You surprise me at times.
I know, right? Well, I'm happy that I'm making money while studying. Afam, we need this money. If we start waiting for Mama and Papa to send us that their 10,000 naira every weekend, hunger will kill us in this school, and we won't be able to buy textbook and handouts like others.
Adane, you are right. I wish I am as brilliant as you are. At least I would be doing assignments for my coursemate, you know, so that I can be making small money like you.
Afam, my money is your money, okay? Okay. Hey, Afam, take this money, take this money.
What were you giving your brother to hand? What are you hiding?
I've submitted your assignment.
You dey crazy? I asked you. Cripple useless brother to hide. Come on.
Guy, come on, you
stay one place.
Check his stop.
You dey mad?
Come on, your eyes.
Don't.
I can't worry you. Now they hide money for campus, that's what they bring down.
Treasure. Treasure.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Treasure! 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 Somebody help me, please! I'm
in the alcohol. Come on, I know say you be Johnson man. You don't know all these kind of things. Like make I bring and come. We will share you together. I don't tell you say if you mount me, I no go ever discard you. You no go suffer. See, make I tell you. Make I clear you. I know they stay for hostel. Na house are from, they come every day. Na cab, they even carry me come. You dey fuck up. I don't tell you these things before now. You no go suffer. A mental fool. You see, let me bring drinks come. Maybe we'll share you together based on normal level. In fact, take the two self. Drink nothing there. But this thing na less. I go spoil you for this campus. Just say yes. The feeling.
Do you feel good?
For where you dey? Why not? They sweet me anyhow.
I mean, do you feel good beating that innocent girl? Bullying her to the point that she passed out in that garden.
You see, forget that one. That one are less. Now maybe Jackie, the only Jackson, the energy queen. Now me they tell you see, normally, if you see me on top matter, you go query. I be levels girl. I be run men things. If you see me, I dey handle men matter like this. Now the full regularity I dey use on them. So capless, that one are less. How far?
So you bullying people, beating them up is what you call level?
That one day now.
Really?
Now.
But you know what? I want to make something very clear to you. I don't do bullies. I am not interested in whatever you have to place on this table.
Now drink with this.
No, I don't. That's not what I mean. That's what I mean. That's
this
why.
thing na bruise. I want make we brew together.
That wasn't what I mean. I don't care about what you're bringing to my table. I'm not interested. Get it to your head. I don't do bullies. You are not my type.
Diet also is so bad. I be your type. Which type you define? Type C? I've been awaiting my iPhone charger. I get them plenty. Now me and you together for this campus. Anybody wait try answer my ruggedity go collect. Waiting no good. Because I dey rugged and whoa.
You dey threaten me.
I know they threaten you, guy. I dey cap you waiting day available. Waiting I pay do. Which one? How far you calm down? Accept me, you no go suffer fine boy. I go make your life sweet.
By the time you're done, please take these drinks and leave here.
Be like the lie insult person, guy. Calm down. What you do? Make we read them together. And this thing be your problem too. They study. That's why you go see green light. You no go even read that one. Just they read rubbish for you. What do be all this nonsense?
Guy, you no get any money at all. No, 1K na guy, I beg. Me I go print this thing. I don't get money. Guy, I beg na. I beg I did. Guy na. I don't get money. 1K. Oh yeah, more they go.
Jesus Christ. Daniel, you are crying. What is it?
I don't know what I did to that girl. She's frustrating me in this school. That girl is frustrating me, honestly. She is.
It's okay. Okay? I know why she's doing all this. She's doing this to you because you are calm. They want to provoke you so that you can join their deadly cult. But Adane, I beg you in the name of God, you know why we are in this school. Please don't think about it. Do not join them, okay? Don't worry. Let her eat the money. By the special grace of God, one day I will walk with this my 2 legs again. Then I will meet up with her and show her that I am a man. Okay? Do not cry, please.
It's fine. My God, we pay her back.
Sorry, don't cry.
My God, we pay her back.
Adane, sorry, don't cry anymore.
Let's go.
Sorry.
Let's go.
I may walk slowly, but I never walk backward. Don't use your energy wrongly. Don't use your youthful age wrongly. Maki ifedinuwa, ifonye metalo chilisi ya bulu. Ifedinuwa, ifonye metalo bulu. Maki ifedinuwa, ifonye metalo chilisi ya bulu. Ifedinuwa,
you're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
How was it today?
Mom, you keep asking me this question every day. Why? I'm used to the school already. It's 1 month now.
Son, I just want to know, if I don't care about you, who will I care for?
Thank you, I understand. But Mom, I have a problem with the school and it's beginning to piss me off.
Problem? What kind of problem? Is it with cult boys? Tell me about it. Let me call the school immediately. Or better still, tell your father.
No. It's a girl.
Oh, a girl? Tell me about her. Oh, is she beautiful? Where is she from? Are you people seeing each other already?
Hey, Mom. Come on. Take it easy on me. Why are you so in a haste to hook me up with a girl? Is she beautiful? Is she this? Are you dating?
Son, listen. It won't be a bad idea if you use one stone and kill two birds. While you're in that school, find a girl and build a future with. So that as you're coming out, you're getting married.
Okay, Mom. I think there's no point discussing this issue with you. I am fine. I'm a man. I can handle my shit. It's all fine. So please, Mom, on your way going downstairs, please tell the chef to prepare food for me. I am hungry, very famished right now. Please.
It's okay. I'll leave you. No problem, but we'll talk about this, okay? Listen, as for your food, it is already served. So just have your shower and come down, okay? See you later. And I'm waiting for this.
Yes, who is that? Mama, what are you doing here?
Arinze, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama.
You see it. You find it very difficult to greet me. Arinze, hold your greetings. I don't need it.
Mama, you're welcome.
Don't dare! Don't even dare try to come close to me nor greet me. Don't try it.
Mama, what is the problem? You don't talk to my wife like that.
Your wife? Who is your wife? This? Arinze, you haven't seen anything yet.
Mama, you came to my house uninvited and suddenly you are lashing out on my wife and I. What is it? What is the problem?
Everything is the problem. First of all, tell your baby doll to go and get me water to drink.
I beg your pardon, Mama. Her name is Stella, not the baby doll. She is my wife. I won't have you call her names.
Whatever. Let her get me water. Please.
Mama, what brought you to my house? What brought you here?
Mama.
My son.
Mama.
How are you?
Mama, you're welcome. I didn't tell us you were coming.
Yes, it's only Jackie that knows that I'm coming here. Speaking of her, where is she?
Mama, Jackie is not around. She went to school. She hasn't returned yet.
Okay, please come and show me my room.
Of course, Mama.
Let me show you too.
So how many minutes will it take you to go to the kitchen and get me water? Let me see it. I hope you did not poison this water.
No, Mama.
You can drink it. Have it.
Drink the water now.
Drink it. Anya, take me to my room.
Let's go, Mama.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Sit down.
Thank you.
I want to know what your plans are.
My plans? What do you mean, Father?
You are the prince of this land. And quite lately, I discovered that you'll be spending most of your time studying and having not an iota of time for the concerns of this land.
Father, aside studying, what should I focus all my time on?
On this kingdom, of course. Because it's about time that you started to attend cabinet meetings so you can be abreast with the custom and tradition of this kingdom that you will lead in due time.
With all due respect, Father, if I may hear you well, you want me to join you in your cabinet meeting with those old men? For what exactly?
You said for what? When I joined my ancestors, do you know that you are going to be with those same men in cabinet meetings?
Oh, Father, this is 21st century. We need young, vibrant, energetic youth to be our leaders and not some old men that are close to their graves. No. Father, let me tell you, when I become the future king of this land, I am going to retire all those old men and replace them with young, vibrant youth that will take this kingdom to where it is supposed to go. Yes. Father, please, don't push this. Don't.
Listen, when I look at you, I begin to wonder what you have in that your head. Because you are not thinking like a prince. Can you compare the wisdom of those men with those young people you're talking about?
Father, please. I have a lot on my plate, and conversations like this makes me choke up. I don't like it, please.
See, now come off it. You have nothing on your plate. In fact, you do not have a plate whatsoever. It's just that you are lazy.
You call me lazy? Father, if I am lazy, I would not be going to school every day, night and day. I am dealing with lecturers, dealing with my assignments, and you think those ones are not stressful enough for me? And you are here telling me about cabinet meetings. For what exactly? Those old men? Old archaic men that doesn't have ideas. I mean, their ideas are so limited at this point. Father, please, I told you earlier, do not push this again. Please.
Do not patronize me with those rubbish you're talking about. When will you grow up? I wonder when you will grow up.
See what someone cooked. It's tasteless. You call yourself a wife and you cannot prepare a proper meal.
Mama, I see nothing wrong with this food. Eat and stop making everybody uncomfortable. This food is quite delicious.
Arinze, I am ashamed of you. See what you married. I found wife materials for you. You left all of them and married this thing sitting down here.
Mama, I will not sit and have you insult my wife before me.
No.
I can't believe you want to send your family out of your house because of this thing sitting down.
Mama, my wife is not a thing. And as long as they continue to disrespect my wife, I'll have no other option but to send them packing out of my house.
Let me see how that will happen. Ebuka and Jackie are not going anywhere. Instead of them to leave, this thing sitting down here will leave.
We shall see to that.
Hey, madam. Go and give me juice to flush this rubbish you prepared here.
Faith, sit down. You're not going anywhere. My wife is not a maid. Jackie.
Boss, what?
Go and get Mama juice.
Bros, I don't understand. Come. They plaster your nyash. They plaster your nyash. Go get juice like they crazy. Bro, stop man.
I will not repeat myself again. I said, go get Mama juice!
Should I play with this now? Bro, stop am now. They respect you. Don't let me lose her. Let me alone. Sure?
How can you finish this?
She is not going anywhere. My daughter is not going anywhere. Your wife should go and get it from me.
My God.
Mommy, okay, alright. Let me just go. It's just...
It's okay. Stand up. Let's go out and eat.
It's fine.
Stand up, let's go out and eat. This food is not even going to digest in my stomach. Come.
Nobody say she didn't that food. Just carry bone and you color. Come! Now color you put for this rice.
Nonsense.
I beg check my complexion. Feel like I don't dey change color. Check
how
out
much you cook. She can't even cook a good food.
That your son, you just drag her like bouncer. You bang, can't let that guy hit outside. You just born mumu, you don't log like zombie.
Boys, Mama, this rice is not bad though. I mean, the food is delicious. I don't know if it's because of the chicken that I'm eating.
The prince will join you. He's having his breakfast.
Okay, I'm done.
I need to ask you something. Is my son seeing any girl?
None that I know of, my queen.
Is he having any issues with any woman or anybody? Maybe court boys?
I don't think so, my queen. The only thing I know that bothers my prince is academics. That's the only thing I know of.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because he was trying to tell me about a girl yesterday and I was too fast and he held back. I need you to do me a favor. Find out if he's having any issues with any girl. Or maybe having feelings. You know how it is. Find out so that I will know. Let me know so I will take it from there. Okay?
I will do just that, my queen.
Please, don't disappoint me.
I will not.
It's coming out from your nose. Are you sure you're fine?
You can use this. Take.
Thank you.
You stress your head too much. And that is actually not good for you. Too much of stressing your head could lead to nosebleed.
That's not it.
Take care.
You're not fine at all. You're not fine. I'm fine. He didn't even wait for me to complete my statement. So proud of himself.
Hello, Chris. Please, you don't have to come now. I have lectures by 3:30, so I'll call you when I'm done with my lectures. Then you can come. All right. See you later.
Alpha Chamo, we want to see you.
Are you talking to me?
Baba, she's something they worry you. I go run enter you. I say, Mama, they call you. They tell me, sir, you talk. Wait, I know.
Can you just calm down and stop shouting? Who is Queen? Is she a name of, or is that a name of a place or animal?
I don't run enter you. But now because say Mama like you, now why I go leave you?
Hey, you don't come here to rant. Take your nonsense elsewhere. Don't do it here.
Guy, you dey ment. You dey ment. Say na because you dey see my teeth. Baba, Mama want see you.
Well, I am not going anywhere.
Guy, Mama dey Iceland, she want see you.
Where's Iceland?
I don't talk am before. I don't talk and say you na Juma, but Mama no wan hear me. You be Juman. So you don't know where be Iceland.
Well, I don't know the place you're talking about, and I'm going nowhere. You will have to use chain to tie me before you take me to whatever Iceland you're talking about.
Baba, you dey push me. I no feel lie for you. You dey push me. But na because Mama don't like you, na make me no wan enter you. I don't enter you straight. Follow me, more go see Mama. Follow me. Since you don't know Iceland, I go carry you go there.
You must be out of your mind. Come on, get out.
You say, Ma, get out. Now I see why Mama they like you. You too stubborn. But no problem. I'll go pass the message I should take give me. I can't go pass give her. You dey hear?
Treasure, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I need to go back to my hostel and take my drugs. My nose won't stop bleeding.
Oh, God.
I can't stop now.
This is not good, though. This is not good. This is not good.
Stop now. I can't stop.
Treasure, I want to come with you.
No, Afam, you need to stay and attend to your lectures.
Then I want to come with you.
Afam, don't worry. I'll come and pick you later, please. I'll come and pick you later, yeah?
Okay.
Please take care.
Take care of yourself.
And you too. I'll come back.
Okay.
I'll come back.
Adane, take care.
I will. I'll come back.
Fine boy. Alpha, fine boy. Guy, the fuck up. If not be say you be sugar boy, if for collect what you no good. I for plan for you, you go watch am because you go the show. How I go send my sharpies make they anchor you come Iceland. Come the fuck up. You know say I be rugged the same. You just the stubborn anyhow. You will be no wrong, just the stubborn. But make I cap less. Alpha. They say if Muhammad no go mountain go fall, come meet Muhammad. Now make me jazz out. Why you dey stubborn? I've never saw they talk am.
What do you want? And why are you saying all this nonsense in my ears?
Well, fine boy. I want take you go club this night. On a Olympus, one day. I want ball you. Sure you dey feel me? I know say you dey like me normally, but no worry. I like you, so you don't even need to cap plenty. Bills on me. I will just show you love. How you see am? Why you can't they laugh? Me and you dey act film for you. I be one collect.
You know, your attitude is actually a red flag for me. Very big one. You shouldn't come here and be saying all this nonsense before me. Seriously, you should change your attitude. Right? Excuse me, please.
Guy. If no be say I like you, with this nonsense where you just cap so, I go just throw you overboard and nothing go happen. Nobody go just shake body because who shake body go collect. But I go leave you make they bounce.
A winner is just a loser who tried one more time. A winner is just a loser who tried one more time. Do what is right, not what is easy. Never let the control you. I may walk slowly, but I never.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Mama, she says she doesn't understand.
Make her to understand.
Stella, what is it that you don't understand? That you've been driving my brother's car, eating his money, bragging with it. The only mistake my elder brother made was getting married to a little brat like you. And that mistake, me and Mama here will correct.
And the only time you have the right to enter this house is only when you want to cook or clean.
Give me this bag.
Don't you dare come close.
Give it to me.
Collect her phone too. Collect it.
Now let me have the car keys on the phone.
Leave me alone.
Listen, I'll slap the living daylight out of you like you don't believe me. You think I'm joking.
I said leave me alone. Collect the phone. Collect it from her.
Nonsense. You think I'm here?